Hi, students. If there's one thing I know about all students is that you guys prefer to use a calculator versus doing all that crazy scratch work that us teachers tell you to do all the time. And what's great about calculators is that they do speed up calculations. They make things a lot easier for us, but I'm willing to bet that many of you who have advanced calculators such as this, the TI-84 or something similar, TI-82, 83, 84. They've made many versions of these calculators, but this one specifically that I have and I use in my classroom has a lot more power than just going ahead and calculating things. It can actually be programmed using coding language that is easily accessible. So I'm going to show you some of the cool things that this thing can actually do. Let me show you. So looking at this screen, and it may be a little more difficult to see as it focuses, is that you can see there's a bunch of apps actually on here. I call them apps because that's what you guys call them, but they are actual programs that were used using the TI-84 language. And specifically, not only are they programs for calculations, but they're programs that are games also. So you got a little bit of the work and play. For example, this is a popular one that you guys may recognize, and this was coded using TI-84 language and ported. Additionally, not only are there games, but there's great programs to go ahead and actually solve things, like this program right here called Math Tools, and check that out. It has an equation solver, polynomial solver, things that you may not know right now, but are going to be very important once you get into higher level math. So throughout this enrichment activity, I'm just going to put it out there and give you some resources where you can learn a little bit about programming. Okay? So coding, many of you may have done using Hour of Code or something similar. All those skills will actually translate to programming the TI-84. So I hope you explore it on your free time or extra time that you have. This is one of those activities that you can definitely learn some great skills that can carry forth into future jobs, future careers, or just as a good hobby. I know for a fact that when I was in your shoes back in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, I programmed my first programs on the TI-82 way back in the day. So it's a skill that I still hold true. All right, if you have any questions or you have anything that you want to share, feel free to go ahead and let me know, and hope you enjoy some of this coding.